counter. Come on. Buddy, look at the hole.
Get him, Jack. Get him. Get him, Jack. Jack, get that chicken. Get him, Jack. Get him.
Feet on it.
Jack, he's got your number. Get him, Jack. Get that chicken. Get him, Jackie. Get him, Jack. Get that chicken. Don't let him run you around in circles. Come on.
People attempt, Bunny. I do all the hard work.
Come on, Jack. Get that chicken. Ooh, now they're all going after you. Get him, Jack. Get him, Jack. Come on, Jack. Have some self-respect. Get him, Jack.
Let me just lay down in there.
How do you expect to get any respect when you let chickens chasing you around the yard? Jack, get him!
Down there a little bit. That's good.
Get him, Jack! Man, other than a knockout, Boo, holy cow, go get those chickens! Go get those chickens! Look, they're coming up from behind you now. Get those chickens. There he goes. Ooh, got pegged.
Did you just put him in the second level, or did you?
I'll put him down. I'll put him down through the hole. Get that chicken, Jack. Get him. That chicken is bound and determined to harass my poor dog. They're chasing him. Jack, like this. Get that chicken. See? Get that chicken. See? You do that and they jump away. Yeah, and they jump away. See? Get that chicken, Jack. Jack, go get that chicken. Get him. You're going to get pecked. You're going to get pecked. I think this is a fair assessment to say that my dog is definitely losing the chicken battle. Get him like that. Go on, come on. Let's get that chicken. Get him, Jack. Get that chicken. All right. Looks like I will forever be helping my dog with the chickens. That's it for now.